Hi, I'm Raleigh, the Lexus Technology Specialist here at now Lexus Roswell. Today I wanted to go over how easy it is to use the voice command system in our new Lexus models. So, starting with navigation, in order to initiate the voice command system, click the button on the left-hand side of your steering wheel. 980 Mansell Road, Roswell, Georgia.
Here is the address I found. Would you like to go there?
Yes.
Starting guidance.
So see there, entering a destination just through voice. Now if I wanted to delete this destination, all I have to do is click the button again. Cancel destination.
Route canceled.
You'll see there, I've canceled the destination. Now one of my favorite features is the climate control. So click the button again. Set temperature to 70 degrees.
Changing to 70 degrees.
You'll see here, it'll change the climate to 70 degrees. Now, if you like coffee as much as I do, this is how easy it is to find the nearest Starbucks. Starbucks.
Showing nearby Starbucks.
You'll see there, it'll bring up a list of the nearest Starbucks. Now the computer in the new Lexus models have the ability to learn your speech patterns. So in order to go to this feature, you hit the menu button on the touchpad here, go to setup, go over to voice, and you'll see right here, train voice recognition. Again, thanks for watching my video. This is Raleigh, Lexus Technology Specialist at now Lexus Roswell. Come experience amazing.